Johannesburg, often referred to as Joburg, is South Africa's largest city and the beating heart of the country's economy, culture, and history. As the gateway to South Africa, Johannesburg offers a diverse mix of activities that reflect its complex past and dynamic present. Whether you're interested in history, art, wildlife, or vibrant nightlife, Joburg has something to offer every traveler. Here are 10 of the best things to do in Johannesburg, South Africa. 1. Visit the Apartheid Museum. One of Johannesburg's most significant cultural and historical landmarks is the Apartheid Museum, which provides a comprehensive look at South Africa's journey through apartheid and its eventual downfall. Opened in 2001, the museum uses photographs, film footage, personal accounts, and interactive exhibits to portray the brutal system of racial segregation that shaped the country for over 40 years. Visitors to the museum are given a powerful introduction to the apartheid era by being assigned a racial classification, either white or non-white, upon entry. This classification dictates which path you'll take at the start of your visit, instantly demonstrating the racial divide that once defined everyday life in South Africa. As you explore the exhibits, you'll learn about key figures like Nelson Mandela, resistance movements, and the country's path toward democracy. The museum is more than just a repository of historical facts. It is a deeply emotional experience that offers insight into South Africa's struggle for freedom, equality, and justice. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to understand the country's past and its relevance to global human rights movements. 2. Explore Constitution Hill. Constitution Hill, another iconic landmark in Johannesburg, is a former prison complex that now serves as a museum and home to South Africa's Constitutional Court, the highest court in the country. The site was once a notorious detention center where political prisoners, including Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela, were held during their struggles against apartheid and colonial rule. A visit to Constitution Hill allows you to tour the old fort, the women's jail, and the No. 4 prison, all of which have been preserved as museums. These institutions highlight the harsh conditions under which prisoners lived and the systematic oppression they faced. Today, Constitution Hill is also a symbol of the country's transition to democracy and human rights, housing South Africa's Constitutional Court, which was established in 1994 to uphold the nation's new democratic constitution. The juxtaposition of the old prison buildings with the modern Constitutional Court is symbolic of South Africa's journey from a past marked by oppression to a future defined by justice, equality, and the rule of law. 3. Take a stroll through Maboneng Precinct. The Maboneng Precinct is a vibrant, revitalized urban area that has become a symbol of Johannesburg's creative spirit and economic resurgence. Located in the eastern part of the city, Maboneng, which means place of light in Sotho, has transformed from a neglected area into one of the trendiest neighborhoods in Johannesburg. The precinct is now a hub for artists, designers, and entrepreneurs, and it is filled with art galleries, boutiques, restaurants, and cafes. Maboneng street art is particularly impressive, with large murals adorning many of the buildings. One of the best ways to experience the neighborhood is to simply walk through its streets, popping into art studios and enjoying the dynamic street life. On Sundays, Maboneng hosts the popular market on Main, where locals and visitors alike can sample a wide variety of food from all over Africa, shop for handmade crafts, and listen to live music. The precinct also offers numerous entertainment options, including independent theaters and rooftop bars that provide stunning views of the city. Spend a day at Gold Reef City. For those seeking fun and excitement, Gold Reef City is one of Johannesburg's top entertainment destinations. Located on an old gold mine that dates back to the 19th century, this theme park combines thrill rides, historical exhibits, and family-friendly attractions. Gold Reef City is known for its adrenaline-pumping roller coasters, water rides, and other amusement park attractions, but it also offers a fascinating look into Johannesburg's gold mining history. Visitors can take an underground tour of the mine to see what life was like for miners during the gold rush era. The tour includes demonstrations of gold pouring, and you can even try your hand at panning for gold. The park also has a casino, theaters, restaurants, and live entertainment, making it a great place to spend a full day with family or friends. Visit Soweto and Vilakazi Street. Soweto, short for Southwestern Townships, is Johannesburg's largest township and one of the most historically significant places in South Africa. This sprawling urban area was at the center of the anti-apartheid movement, and today it remains a symbol of resistance, resilience, and hope. A visit to Soweto allows travelers to experience a mix of history, culture, and vibrant community life. One of the most famous streets in Soweto is Vilakazi Street, the only street in the world that has been home to two Nobel Peace Prize laureates, Nelson Mandela and Archbishop Desmond Tutu. The Nelson Mandela House, now a museum, offers a glimpse into Mandela's life before his imprisonment, while the Hector Peterson Memorial and Museum commemorates the tragic 1976 Soweto uprising, during which hundreds of school children were killed while protesting apartheid policies. Soweto is also known for its lively shebeens or informal bars, where you can enjoy traditional South African food, listen to local music, and experience the warmth and hospitality of the township's residents. Explore the Johannesburg Zoo and Zoo Lake. The Johannesburg Zoo, established in 1904, is one of the largest and oldest zoos in South Africa, housing over 2,000 animals from around the world. Spread over 55 hectares, the zoo is dedicated to the conservation of endangered species and offers a fun, educational experience for visitors of all ages. Some of the most popular animals at the Johannesburg Zoo include lions, elephants, giraffes, and chimpanzees. The zoo also has specialized enclosures for animals such as the endangered white lion and Siberian tiger. The zoo's walkways are well designed, making it easy to navigate and explore the various animal habitats. Adjacent to the zoo is Zoo Lake, a popular recreational area where locals enjoy picnicking, rowing on the lake, and walking along the shaded pathways. It's an excellent place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Johannesburg after a day of exploring the zoo. Shop and dine at Sandton City and Nelson Mandela Square. Johannesburg is known as the financial hub of South Africa, and nowhere is this more apparent than in the affluent suburb of Sandton. Sandton City, one of the largest shopping centers in Africa, offers a world-class shopping experience with a wide variety of high-end stores, local boutiques, and international brands. Connected to Sandton City is Nelson Mandela Square, a bustling plaza that features a massive bronze statue of Nelson Mandela standing over 6 meters tall. The square is lined with restaurants, cafes, and bars, making it a great place to enjoy a meal or a drink while people watching in this upscale part of town. For those looking for luxury shopping and dining, Sandton City and Nelson Mandela Square are the go-to destinations in Johannesburg. Wander through the Johannesburg Botanical Garden and Emmarentia Dam. Located in the leafy suburb of Emmarentia, the Johannesburg Botanical Garden is a peaceful oasis that offers a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The garden covers 81 hectares and is home to an extensive collection of plant species, including indigenous and exotic trees, roses, and herbs. The garden's most famous feature is its rose garden, which boasts over 10,000 rose bushes in bloom, creating a beautiful and fragrant display. There are also specialized gardens dedicated to succulent cycads and medicinal plants. The Johannesburg Botanical Garden is an excellent place for a leisurely walk, birdwatching, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature. Adjacent to the Botanical Garden is Emmarentia Dam, a popular spot for picnicking, kayaking, and fishing. The dam's serene waters surrounded by lush greenery provide a tranquil setting for outdoor activities. Tour the Cradle of Humankind. A short drive from Johannesburg takes you to one of the most important paleoanthropological sites in the world, the Cradle of Humankind. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to some of the oldest hominid fossils ever discovered, shedding light on the origins of humanity. The Cradle of Humankind covers a vast area and includes the famous Sterkfontein Caves, where the fossil of Mrs. Pless, a 2.1 million-year-old Australopithecus skull, was found. Visitors can tour the caves and see the excavation sites where these ancient fossils were uncovered. The Maropeng Visitor Center, located nearby, offers interactive exhibits that explore the history of human evolution, from early hominids to modern humans. For those interested in archaeology, anthropology, and the story of our species, the Cradle of Humankind is an absolute must-visit. Experience wildlife at the Lion and Safari Park. For an unforgettable wildlife experience, the Lion and Safari Park, located just 45 minutes from Johannesburg, is a top destination for animal lovers. The park is home to a variety of African wildlife, including lions, cheetahs, giraffes, zebras, and antelope. Visitors can take guided safari drives through the park, where they'll have the opportunity to see these animals up close in their natural habitat. The park also offers unique interactive experiences, such as feeding giraffes and walking with cheetahs. For those looking for a more immersive experience, the park has luxury lodges, where visitors can stay overnight and enjoy private game drives. Johannesburg is a city of contrasts where history meets modernity and vibrant culture coexists with serene nature. From exploring the profound history of apartheid to experiencing wildlife up close, the city offers a diverse range of activities that cater to all interests. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or someone looking to relax in nature, Johannesburg has something to offer, making it a must-visit destination in South Africa. Thank you for watching. I hope that anyone who visits Johannesburg has an amazing experience. Please make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos and tips for your next trip.